My roll number is 9041. As we are talking about Indian automobile industry, let's talk about Mahindra and Mahindra. Mahindra and Mahindra is an Indian company which was founded in 1945 by the Mahindra brothers, J.C. Mahindra and K.C. Mahindra, along with Ghulam Muhammad. In 1948, as India was partitioned, that Ghulam Muhammad was transferred to Pakistan, as he was the first finance minister of Pakistan in 1948. And 1948, the Mahindra and Muhammad was changed the name into Mahindras and Mahindras. In 1955, they signed a joint venture with Willys Company and they introduced Jeep into the market. Okay, as talking about the Mahindra and Mahindra have introduced a Jeep in India, converted the public limited. It was converted into public limited company in 1955. It's the largest manufacturer of agriculture equipment and also into Indian tractors. They are more than from 25 years. They are the largest manufacturer in India and overall the third biggest company to manufacture the tractors, competing with China and again with China. Okay, they are the biggest manufacturing agriculture equipments and agricultural tractors. Okay, entered into two-wheeler car segment. They have brought Mahindra Rodeo. Okay, by taking over the Kinetic Motors, acquired plant in China, UK. Okay, they have into the joint ventures. They have brought Renault in 2008, bringing a car called Logan. They have a joint venture with Logan. And as per you know that the Mahindra and Mahindra's SUV, we know that Xylo 500, which has been recently launched in 2011, and UV, that is utility vehicle Scorpio, which has been worldwide, which has been publicly worldwide. Now, talking about the main important people, right now the vice chairman and chairman is Anand Mahindra and Keshav Mahindra. Keshav Mahindra is the chairman, well as Anand Mahindra is the vice chairman, and the founder was J.C. Mahindra and K.C. Mahindra along with the Ghulam Muhammad. Now, what are the marketing tools? They offer customized products. As we know, Mahindra and Mahindra are into diversified. We have Mahindra and Mahindra Limited, Mahindra and Mahindra Finance. Okay, so they customize the products. I mean, going to the agriculture side, they provide tractors along with the loan facility to the farmers, which bring about a good sales figure in their production. Offers product at a lower rate. I mean, they have kept good schemes for the farmers and the lower level class also, so they can easily buy the product. Focus on the quality of the products. Mahindra and Mahindra, they have given the Fleming Award, that is the Japanese award, which is for the best quality management. They have been referred with the Fleming Award. Okay, customer relationship management, they have set up more and more service centers at major cities and major places, along with the rural areas also. Direct marketing in rural areas, as agriculture equipments are the main product of Mahindra and Mahindra, so they have mainly focused on the rural areas, into the rural areas. Now these are the auto sector sales. Okay, this is in the FY 2011. They have sold around 377 million units all over India, along with joint ventures also. And compared to that, in FY 10 it was 298 millions, and FY 09 230 millions. This is the auto sector sales regarding with Mahindra and Mahindra. Okay, the utility vehicle market share. Okay, Mahindra and Mahindra is the biggest competitor in the market. The second competitor is the Tatas and the Marutis. Mahindra is around 44% share in the Indian industry, automobile industry, comparing with the Marutis and Tatas, which has around 34%. Okay, and these are the market segmentation that Mahindra and Mahindra has got 43%, and along with Tata Motors, which has around 20%, and Toyota Kirloskar, the product we know, Toyota Police, which has around 20%, and we have new foreign investors such as Volkswagen and many others, etc. These are the products of Mahindra and Mahindra. They are into SUVs, they are into MUVs, they are into agriculture equipment. Okay, and they are into the major clients of Mahindra and Mahindra are state-owned government vehicles, which we know that the police, they are using the Bolero, and even tractors, we know it, they are into state government also. And now the basic strategies such as SWOT analysis will be given by Jitendra Gala.
Thank you. Good afternoon, friends. Good afternoon, sir. Myself, Jitendra Gala, roll number 9029. Let's talk about the 4 Ps of Mahindra and Mahindra. First, the products. There are different types of products. They are into different sectors like agriculture, then